Can we do it then?
A drone mission may look simple from the outside. The drone takes off, completes its flight, and lands safely. But in real-world operations, every mission is different. Weather conditions can change unexpectedly. Wind speeds may increase. Visibility can reduce. Even sight conditions may look different from what was planned. Sometimes temporary restrictions or unexpected obstacles require operators to adjust the flight path before or during the mission. That's why professional drone operations are built around flexibility, not assumptions. Before every flight, operators assess the location, weather conditions, mission objectives, and safety considerations. And during the operation, they continuously monitor the drone, the surrounding environment, and the quality of the data being collected. If conditions are no longer suitable, the mission may be paused, modified, or rescheduled. Organizations such as Garuda Aerospace follow structured operational workflows that help teams adapt to changing conditions while supporting safe and efficient drone-armed operations. Because a successful drone mission isn't about everything going perfectly, it's about making the right decisions when conditions change.